Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change dustbin emptying settings on your DJI ROMO. If you'd like to change how dustbin is emptied by the base station, click on the settings in the top right corner, then go to base station settings. Now you'll find dust collection settings and you can set it to auto, so it will do auto dust collection before each task. You can also do manual, so you can use the app to manually start dust collection. And you will need to remember about doing that because full dust box affects cleaning performance. And you can also do a scheduled one, and when you set it to scheduled, you can just set for example, like the dust collection time to a certain hour and then to certain days, so like for example every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, let's say, and then click on done and it'll do it automatically with the schedule, or just automatically before each task, or manual. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.